welcome back to BJP Lifestyle, guys. Today we're going to be doing that unboxing, review, installation, whole nine for that nice box that I just put in there. So let's go ahead and head to the undisclosed location, and I'll talk to you then. Oh man! All right, let's try that again. All right, it worked that time. All right, let's go. All right, guys. So we're going to be doing the cargo mat review, install, unboxing, the whole nine right here. I'm out at this field as usual, the undisclosed location that I always film most of my videos at. But we got this product sent out to us to do a video on, so that I can see if it's actually good for you guys. This is the product on Amazon. Not sure if you can see it. Link will be down below. It's from JoyTutus or Tutus or something like that. I don't know how to say it, but that's where it's from. If you guys didn't already, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. I don't really post a lot, but maybe I will start to post more. You guys can DM me on there as well. And of course, before this video starts, make sure you click that subscribe button down below. We're on our way to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you could click that subscribe button, that would mean a lot to me. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we have it in the box here still. We just kept it all boxed up and ready to go. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set up the camera on a tripod here and start recording the actual unboxing. I'm ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and set up the camera on a tripod and open it. I didn't even bring a knife with me. It's kind of dumb of me, but I do have a screwdriver, my keys, whatever. I'll make it work. I'm a handy guy. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up, and then we'll get right into it. All right, so let's go ahead and open this. Hopefully not leak the address or anything in here. So this is the most ghetto knife I've ever used, I swear. I swear, I usually have a knife on me. Alright. Let's see what we got in here. Looks like it's just the mat rolled up. Nice. At least it came in a box this time. The rough country that I had from my truck didn't even come in a box. It was just a roll, so. It looks like that's all that's in the box here, so I mean, pretty straightforward. I mean, what more do you really need? So let's go ahead and open this up. Looks like it's just got some like wrapping on it. Keep it pretty. Use a screwdriver. Actually, it's almost like saran wrap. It's not even like tape. So let's see if we can get a closer up shot here for you. Alright, so you should be able to see it here. It's kind of got like almost a honeycomb pattern on the bottom. And then it's also got little like rivets, or not rivets, I don't know what they would be called, little nipples I guess, that are going to dig into here, into the carpet to kind of hold it in place and keep it there. So if we unroll it here, it's in a bag. As you can see, it's got cutouts on the sides here as well. So these little cutouts are going to fit around the hooks and whatnot so that it fits nicely. So let's go ahead and just remove it the rest of the way, and we'll see if we can throw it in and see how it fits. Alright, so now I got it out of the box, everything, so we can see how it looks. It looks pretty good. It's not super heavy, so you don't have to worry about like adding a heavy load to the back of your car. As you can see here, this part curves. Get you a closer up look. Let's make sure that it's nice and so you can see. So you can see here it's got a nice pattern on it that's going to give you some traction if you're putting stuff on top, which I'll show you in a minute. But you see it goes down here and folds. Maybe get a closer up shot on the bottom as well. Yeah, so you can see the cutouts up here as well. Hopefully I can show you those. So you can see that there's cutouts along it for those hooks up at the top. So let me go ahead and just fit it in, and I'll show you how it actually fits. It's laid out pretty well. I'm not sure the best way to align it. I don't know if you're supposed to line it along the bottom here. I guess you probably could, because it kind of curves around that. You also have your hooks up here, which are out of the they're cut out, and it kind of goes around them. Like, it's been rolled up for a bit, so it might take a little bit of time and a little bit of weight to kind of flatten out completely, but for the most part it's really not that bad coming out of the box. A lot of things are going to flop the other way and just kind of curl. where this has like a little curl to it, but it's really not bad at all. And as far as the overall quality of the product goes, it's probably about a 1/4 inch, almost a 1/2 inch maybe, of this plastic material, rubbery material. I'm not even sure what it is. I would say it's rubbery. It's got a fair amount of squish to it along here. It does seem durable. I don't really have anything to pour on it or anything, but it does seem durable. And the nice thing about this is it's just like a floor mat where you can just go ahead, pick this up, pull it out, throw the hose on it, rinse it off, and you're good to go. Like I said, the nice thing about it is that, just like my floor mats, this is pretty much matching the pattern of my floor mats. I can actually show you the floor mats here. We go ahead and look. It kind of matches the floor mats that I have down on the inside of my Jeep. You see it there. Kind of matches them, which these are the factory ones that come with the Jeep. But yeah, my overall impressions of this is that it's good. Obviously, I haven't had any tests of spraying it with like water or washing it down or anything like that. It's kind of hard to simulate it out here, but it feels just like my mats that are in the car now. And for the price of this on Amazon, plus the 2-day shipping, like, you really can't go wrong. Like I said, this will be in the first link in the description. I don't know if I said that actually, but it'll be the first link in the description, so you guys can go ahead and grab it. Let me fix this a little bit better. So yeah, like I said, this will be the first link down in the description for you guys to go ahead and check out on Amazon. It is, I want to say, between $50 and $60, which isn't really bad for these mats. If you're looking at a product like WeatherTech or one of the other brands like the ones I had in my truck, those are going to run you $100, $200 plus. So it's definitely a budget-friendly option. And as far as quality-wise, it feels very similar to the mats that I have in the car, which are from the factory. It also feels pretty similar to like WeatherTech's quality. The box just fell over there. I'm kind of just winging it out here in the middle of the undisclosed location because it's not really the best to record. I'm getting attacked by a bee. It's just, it's going today. But let me go ahead and put some stuff up here and show you kind of how it works with sliding and that kind of stuff. I'll throw a backpack on it like if I was going to film, as well as my tripod and different things like that. And we can see how it slides around and how it moves, as well as the box. I also brought some other things to go ahead and throw on top. See, the nice thing about it is you're going to have protection now on that carpet, which I didn't have before. So if I'm going to go ahead and throw things like this, where I've got some Meguiar's cleaning products and buckets and stuff like that that I use to clean my car, I don't have to worry about them falling over and spilling all over the carpet on the back. So you can go ahead and throw that in there, and you see it gives you so much more traction, where it's going to stay put a little bit better. Whereas before, when I had just the carpet there, things would slide and slam around and bang, and it was just a big mess basically. So this is going to be nice to add some traction there, like I said, as well as just the ability to be able to take it out and clean it, especially if you guys have dogs that you're going to be putting in the back here. If you guys are doing anything with things like that, or anything dirty, or you're putting wood in here, or pretty much anything that you're going to be putting in the back, it's going to give you that support and it's going to give you that cleanliness. Alright, so as you can see here, we got the backpack. You see, just by pulling it, I mean, it doesn't slide as easy as they did before, that's for sure, which is obviously a really nice feature of this. Like I said, this thing as well doesn't slide as much, which is obviously nice as well. And then the box there, which is, I mean, the box is still going to slide on anything, but it's going to slide less on this. Overall, you can just throw things in there and you're not going to have to worry about damaging it either, chipping out the underneath of the carpet or anything like that. So it's going to give you a lot more protection. I mean, it looks good. It doesn't stand out too much or give you too much of a different look back here, which is nice. But it does kind of tie in with the front mats. If you have those mats, or even WeatherTechs and stuff like that, it's going to look good. So I would definitely recommend it. Like I said, first link down below. If you guys are looking for a cheap option to kind of protect the back of your car, then you might as well go for it. I mean, what do you got to lose? All right, I'm going to be honest. Some guy just rolled up on me, like straight here. There's a porta potty going on right over. Where am I? I don't even know where I am. I can't see. There's a porta potty right there, and the guy rolled up to use the porta potty. That was weird. I didn't appreciate that. I was in the middle of a video, but yeah. So Overall, my final closing statement on this is that it's definitely a recommend. I'm not sure sometimes when people send me products, you never know if they're gonna be cheap or crappy or just not good quality. Overall, this one seems like it's gonna be actually a good one that I would actually recommend, that I'll probably keep in the back of my Jeep to give myself some more protection and just make it a little bit better overall. But yeah, so this is pretty much a final closing look at it. If you guys can see, we even got the screwdriver on here. Like, I'll even just stab it a little bit because I don't think it's gonna take much damage from me stabbing around on it. As you can see, it just wipes right off. So those are even stabbing tests there with a screwdriver because it's durable. So it's durable. It's not gonna be something that you have to worry about too much. That's gonna give you a lot more protection, like I said. Overall, and like I said, you get it dirty, you throw paint in there or whatever, it's going to give you the ability to just throw that in there, take it out, wash it down, clean it, just like you would with a floor mat. So overall, recommend. Pretty much, that's going to be pretty much it for this video, guys. If you did enjoy this video, please click that like button down below. Like I said, first link in the description is going to be the product. It's going to be an Amazon link, so you guys can go ahead and get that 2-day shipping, of course. And yeah, make sure you comment anything that you have, which one you have, if you have one of these, or if you're thinking about getting one, or why you might get this one, or if you're even thinking about getting this one. But make sure you comment anything down below about the Jeep, about the video, anything that can improve the videos that you guys would like to see, any questions or comments, like I said, and of course, anything that will, any future video ideas that you guys have that you guys want to see on the channel. Make sure you click that into the little comment box down below. And of course, like I said at the beginning of the video, new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday on the channel at 3 p.m. So make sure you do subscribe to stay up with future content. We are going to have videos, like I said, every week. We've been going 2 months strong. We're doing great over here with the Jeep. Tons of videos, tons of engagement, growing the channel crazy. So if you guys can click that subscribe button, we're trying to hit that 1,000 mark by the end of the year. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It would mean a lot to me and the channel. So that's going to be about it for this video, guys. Peace.